Hi, my name is Malama, the graphic designer and founder of Last on Visual Works. Over the past 4 years of my experience, I've dedicated myself to creating functional and impactful designs that connect and inspire. I have had the opportunity to work with amazing brands, personalities, and organizations such as Jesus Divine Healing and Deliverance Ministries, Colon Health with Bank, Exclusive Events and Decor, Mandevele, and many more. I'll be hosting a graphic design introductory class that will be walking you through the basics of design, what you need to become a graphic designer, and how you can become a graphic designer. So if you're somebody that wants to create stunning visuals, explosive visuals, this will be for you. But before we get to that, we need to learn the basics because basics do matter. Now, if you know this is for you, do join me on this wonderful journey and let's get you started the right way. That one was nice.